Data type, Python keyword, explanation, examples. Data type, string. Python keyword, str. Explanation. This is text. This data type is depicted by quotation marks. The type of quotation marks used does not matter, as long as the quotation in the beginning of the string is the same as the quotation used at the end. Strings are sequences of characters. A sequence means that there is order in the characters that make up the string. For example, if I were to add the string characters A and B, I would get AB. Similarly, if I wanted to add string 5 to 5, I would not get 10, I would get 55. Examples: print single quotations, print double quotations, print triple quotations, print 1.5 million years ago is a long time. For practice purposes, I recommend that you physically type the code in the examples column for all tables in your IDE to understand how these data types work.